Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. In the continuity of previous topic, that is solution, now we are going to discuss next unit of concentration, that is normality. Normality is denoted by capital N. Normality is defined as the number of moles equivalent per liter of solution, and N is equal to gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in liter. So for calculating gram equivalent of solute, we are going to use formula weight divided by equivalent weight. And for calculating equivalent weight, the formula is molar mass divided by N. So here N will be acidity, basicity or valency. If I am talking about acid, then N will be basicity of that acid. If I am talking about base, so N will be acidity of that base, and if I am talking about any salt, then N will be valency of metallic ion present in that salt. So next is difference between molarity and normality. So molarity is number of moles of solute per liter of solution, and normality is number of gram equivalent of solute per liter of solution. Molarity is a measurement of the moles in the total volume of solution, and normality is a measurement of the gram equivalent in relationship to the total volume of solution. Units of molarity is moles per liter and units of normality is equivalent per liter. Next is relationship between normality and molarity. Here capital N means normality and capital M means molarity, and these both are related on the basis of small n, that is acidity, basicity or valency. So see here, capital N is equal to small n into M. So here I have done some examples for you. So first one is 3 molar H2SO4 solution. We had to calculate the normality of 3 molar H2SO4 solution. If I am talking about H2SO4, it means it will furnish 2 H positive ion. So value of small n will be 2, and 3 molar means molarity is given to you, that is 3. So capital N is equal to 2 into 3 and we will get the answer 6. So normality of 3 molar H2SO4 is 6 normal. Similarly, we have taken one example of basic solution, that is 1 molar calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide will furnish 2 OH negative ions in a solution. It means value of small n is 2 and molarity 1 molar is given. So molarity is 1. So n is equal to 2 into 1. So normality of the solution is 2. So next is how to calculate normality when we are going to use these steps when we are going to solve the numerical. First is find equivalent weight of solute based on the chemical reaction it is going to be used. Second, calculate the number of gram equivalent of that solute. Third, calculate the volume in liter, and fourth, use the formula of normality. So here we are discussing one example. So let's calculate normality of HCl using this. Suppose we have 36.5 gram of 1 liter HCl solution. How can we calculate the normality of HCl solution? See, what is given to you in the numerical? 36.5 gram. It means weight of HCl is given. 1 liter means volume of HCl is given. So we are going to follow first step. We are going to calculate molecular mass of HCl, that is 36.5 only. Number of H positive ion given by HCl is 1. It means HCl is acid. So basicity of HCl is 1. So equivalent weight is equal to molecular mass divided by 1. So we are getting equivalent weight 36.5 only. So now we are going to calculate gram equivalent of solute. That is equal to mass of solute divided by equivalent weight. So it is coming 1 here and volume is also given to us in the numerical, that is 1 liter. So for calculating normality we are going to use the formula number of gram equivalent of solute divided by volume of solution. So by putting the values we are getting the answer 1 normal. So here we are going to discuss the next numerical. In the following reaction, calculate and find the normality when it is 1 molar phosphoric acid. So here the equation is given. So first of all, according to the basis of equation, the H positive ions given by phosphoric acid is 2 only. It will give H3ASO4 will give 2 H positive ions. So here small n will be equal to 2 only. So normality is equal to molarity into equivalent weights. So normality is equal to 1 is your molarity, that is given 1 molar solution, and value of n is 2. So therefore normality of solution is 2. Next is calculate the normality of NaOH solution formed by dissolving 0.2 gram NaOH to make 250 ml of solution. So see here, you are provided with weight, that is 0.2 gram, and volume is given to you, that is 250 ml. So first of all, for normality, number of gram equivalent of solute divided by the volume of solution in liter, that is the formula, and number of gram equivalent of solute is equal to weight upon equivalent weight. So weight is given to us in the numerical, that is 0.2 gram. So here first of all we are going to calculate equivalent weight. If I am talking about NaOH, NaOH is your base. It is furnishing only one OH negative ion. So value of N will be 1. So molar mass of NaOH is 40, and when it is divided by 1, so we will get the answer 40 only. So equivalent weight of NaOH will be 40. So weight is given to us, that is 0.2 gram, and equivalent weight is 40, and 250 ml is there. So convert that 250 ml into liter. It will be 1000 upon 250. So we will get the answer 0.2 normal. Next is calculate the number of moles and molarity of N by 2 500 ml solution of H2SO4 acid. See here, you had to calculate moles and molarity, and you are provided with normality. First of all, acid given to us is H2SO4. So value of small n will be 2, because H2SO4 will furnish 2 H positive ion. So normality is equal to n into molarity. So normality is given to you, that will be 1 by 2, and value of small n will be 2. So from here you will calculate molarity, that is 1 by 4. So we have got the molarity. Now we are going to use the formula of molarity, that is number of moles divided by volume in liter. So volume is given 500 ml. If you will convert it into liter, so it will be 0.5 liter. So molarity is equal to 1 by 4 equal to n upon 0.5. So number of moles will be 1 by 8. So बच्चे, practice more numerical based on normality. So thank you for today.